Welcome to GT EduHub. Students, today I will teach you how to transform the sentences which begin with as soon as and to rewrite them using no sooner. So we will do transformation of sentences. This is topic 1. So our instruction is begin no sooner. Begin with no sooner. So students, our first sentence is as soon as Ria sat down to study, as soon as Ria sat down to study, the power went off. The power went off. Now to change it, we have to begin it with no sooner. So how we will change it? As soon as will be replaced by no sooner. Ria sat. It will change into did Ria sit. Then this comma will be replaced by the word then, THAN. So we will rewrite it like this. No sooner did Ria sit down to study, then the power went off. So the basic rule is, if here second form of verb is used, we will use the word did, then we will write subject and then first form of verb. Why first form of verb? Because we have already used did, which is the second form of do. So comma will be replaced by than. So no sooner did Ria sit down to study, then the power went off. So students, note this down, then I will tell you how to. We will do one more example. Second sentence is as soon as the function got over, as soon as the function got over, the mob dispersed. The mob dispersed. DISPERSED. The mob dispersed. Now we have to change it. We have to begin this sentence with no sooner. So as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. Here the second form of verb is used, the function got. So in place of this we will write did function, then first form of verb get. This comma will be replaced by then. Now we will write it. Our answer will be no sooner did the function get over than the mob dispersed. Remaining sentence we will write as it is, the mob dispersed. Now students, we will do third question. So you note this down. Now third sentence is as soon as we light the candle, as soon as we light the candle, the power supply is restored. The power supply is restored. Now students, note it down. Here first form of verb is used. So the treatment will be different here. As soon as will be replaced by no sooner, लाइट फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, सो वी विल राइट वी लाइट को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे डज डू, सॉरी डू, बिकॉज वी इज प्लूरल, सो वी विल राइट नो सूनर डू वी लाइट द कैंडल then the power supply is restored. Comma is replaced by then. Here it is comma, so it is replaced by then. So students, we will write this again. So students, we will write its answer. No sooner do we light the candle, no sooner do we light the candle than the power supply is restored. So this was our third sentence, students, because in it first form of verb was used, so we will write do instead of did. We will not use did. Did is used only if here instead of light यहाँ पर lit लिखा होता, then we have to use here did. अगर second form है then we will use did, otherwise अगर first form है then we will write simply do. And if यहाँ पर एक singular होता, he or she होता, then we have to write here does. Now next is as soon as the chief guest had seated himself the match began. So this is our sentence. As soon as the chief guest had seated himself, the match began. So as soon as will be replaced by no sooner. Now here had seated is written, so this whole phrase from here will be changed into no sooner had the chief guest seated himself. No sooner had the chief guest seated himself then the match began. So we will write it like this. No sooner did, we will not use did, we will write here had. No sooner had the chief guest seated himself then the match began. So student, this was our fourth sentence. Now students, we will do fifth sentence. As soon as the bell rang, comma, the boys rushed out of the class. Now students, we will change it. As soon as will be replaced by no sooner. So we will write here no sooner. Now here second form of verb is used, so we have to use the word did. So no sooner the bell rang की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे did the bell ring. No sooner did the bell ring. This comma will be removed and we will use the word then instead of it. No sooner did the bell ring then the remaining sentence will be written as it is. Then the boys rushed out of the class. Then the boys rushed out of the class. So student, I have given you certain examples, few examples how to transform the sentences which begin with as soon as into a sentence in which no sooner is used. So that's all for this video. Remaining I will discuss in the next video. So keep watching my channel and do subscribe, like and share my channel to get more updates.